said she needed to clear her mind. He figured she'd gone back to Austin, 'cause she talked about it all the time. It was almost a year before she called him up. 3 rings and an answer.
See that quarry there?
Yeah.
That's the airfield runs in conjunction with that quarry. So the range to the left of the airfield will just squeeze in.
If this is Tuesday,
Traffic, Tango Alpha uniform, coming up right base for runway 13, Tango Alpha uniform.
if it's anybody else, wait for the tone, you know what to do. And P.S.
See the hangars there?
Yeah.
I still love you. The telephone fell to the counter. She heard, but she couldn't believe. What kind of man would hang on that long? What kind of love that must be? She waited 3 days, and then she tried again. She didn't know what she'd say.
So the whole thing of landing, speed becomes the critical factor.
Yeah.
The speed has to be just perfect. We've got a 500-meter descent rate, which is fine. There's the airfield there. Our speed is now in the white arc here. We take our first stage of flaps.
All weekend long. But I'll call you back when I get.
We just put a little bit of power now, just to keep it from descending at the moment. The reason being is I want to be 6,000 more or less when I turn finals. A little bit high, but we'll get there now.
Well, this time she left her number, but not.
You see the runway?
Yeah.
Then she waited by the phone on Sunday evening, and this is what he heard. If you're calling back,
So ground traffic, Tango Alpha uniform turning finals 13.
to it a little more, then it wouldn't have taken me so long to know where I belong. And by the way, boy, this is no machine you're talking to. Can't you tell this is Austin?
Hey, our first approach in the range on this aeroplane.
I still love you.
We just made it in, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, we haven't made it in yet.
Telling me what I got coming in the morning, I already know. I got some feel-good pills and a red Gatorade by my bed, ready to go. I'm gonna do my best to dance with every.
I mean, I don't want to stress it because I don't know what the wind was doing here properly. Eh?
No, that's fine. That was.
How was it landing? Breathe the silk, eh?
Yeah, well.
How do you feel the wheels touch?